I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Elden Ring on easy mode. First, select a strong starting class like the Astrologer or Samurai to give yourself an immediate advantage. Focus on leveling up your Vigor stat to at least 40 early on, which greatly boosts your survivability. Remember to explore every corner of the starting areas. You will discover crucial items and runes that make the initial hours much smoother. This foundational approach sets you up for success. To make combat manageable, always use your Spirit Ashes. They draw enemy aggro, allowing you to attack freely or heal. Don't forget to upgrade your primary weapon regularly at the blacksmith in the Round Table Hold. Even a few levels make a huge difference. If you prefer a safer approach, leverage ranged attacks or powerful magic spells. Keeping your distance can turn tough encounters into easy victories, preserving your flasks of Crimson Tears. One of the best ways to simplify Elden Ring is to overlevel your character. Find good rune farming spots and spend some time there to gain a significant stat advantage. Experiment with your Flask of Wondrous Physic. Combining tears for increased damage or defense can be incredibly potent for boss fights. Always equip talismans that complement your build, whether they boost your health, stamina, or damage output, giving you an edge. For the toughest challenges, don't hesitate to summon other players for cooperative play. Facing a difficult boss with a friend makes the fight significantly easier and more enjoyable. Take time to observe enemy attack patterns. Learning when to dodge or block is more valuable than raw damage. Also, remember to check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Mastering these elements will truly make your journey through the lands between a breeze.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.